$392 and back to you with another video. So what's popping, y'all? Today we got this video. Y'all see the title of this video, about to change my car. I'm about to go drop it off in Denver. But before we head out, let's go ahead and get this cold start though. Let's hear this. That was nice with a cold start. I don't really doing cold starts like that, but we on our way to Denver. We about to drop the car off, so y'all watch the video. Y'all gonna see what's happening to the 392. Like I said, we got some content coming out. I'm telling y'all, we pushing this stuff out. So y'all stay tuned and we out. So we made it to the shop, about to put on the LED glows and whatnot. Oh, that's the snorkel lights. Got you. Cool, that's clean. And then, I'm say those will light up, right?
Yep.
Okay.
Yep.
With the flow series?
The ring on there, yep.
Okay.
Go with your grill and everything else.
Okay. And then the fog lights will do the same too, right? Okay. So what I'm trying to do is keep the badge right there. Hopefully he can keep that on there just to identify it's a Daytona. And then what you're gonna do is, like, I guess pull those out, bake them, right?
Yep. We bake them.
Okay.
Pop them open.
And then this is the what is it? Right here.
Take it off.
So as you can see, he did a little run through what he's gonna do to it, but we're basically gonna be doing the lights, the flow series, the DRL fog lights, underglow for the grill kit, and then the snorkels that light up. This is a nice little shop I found out in Denver. He's doing it for a decent price. I ain't gonna let y'all know the price. This is a decent price though. Lifetime warranty and all this stuff, lighting Trendz. So y'all stay tuned. I'm about to drop the vehicle off and we're gonna pick it up tomorrow. We out. Second day picking up the 392. Y'all come look at this. Ooh, look at that. Oh my gosh. The DRLs, whatnot. We about to pick it up. Let me give y'all a more in depth. I got more to go with this, so y'all just stay tuned. We're gonna get this back to the springs, and I'm gonna show y'all a little more in depth with it. So as y'all can see, like I told y'all, we're gonna show y'all a little bit more in depth. But I got basically the LED inside there done, op7, and then I got the snorkels with the DRLs and that light. I'm gonna give y'all a little walkthrough of it being connected. There's 200 modes. Basically, you can just go crazy on them. Mode 199 is good. 200 is good. Look at all the modes. Makes the car look different. So I got the underglow on the side right there in the back. And then I got those with the snorkels and then the LED inside there. I'm gonna finish making another video on me installing the engine bay. All I have is one in there, so y'all stay tuned for that. But appreciate y'all rocking with me, subscribing with me. Also too, that's the homie Chaos SRT. I'm gonna leave his stuff. He got the Jeep 392. Y'all sleeping on those Jeeps though. But like I said, I appreciate y'all watching, subscribing, and commenting. We gonna get some more videos posted. I told y'all content is coming. It is coming. So y'all stay tuned, and we out.